Welcome back to the Essex Rotary channel. In this week's episode, we're installing an AEM induction kit on this Mazda RX-8.
Okay, before we can go ahead and fit the full AEM kit, we need to remove the bumper. So, go to time lapse.
So this video is not intended to be a full step-by-step tutorial, more a case of giving you a visual guide to help you with your install as you go. Here we're carefully reaching round behind the bumper and gently disconnecting the fog light connectors. With the bumper off, go and store it in a safe location where it's not going to get damaged.
Okay, the V-pad needs to be removed within this bottom structure, but to get that off we need to remove most of this plastic stuff. So let's go ahead and get this removed, and that will enable us to install the main filter section for the AEM.
Black accordion thing you're seeing in the front we're removing, that's the V-pad or variable fresh air duct. Most of that and the plastic trim underneath it are all held in place with simple plastic trim clips. Most of these parts that we're currently removing won't actually go back on the vehicle once the job's been done.
Okay, with that out, the instructions actually tell you to remove this rebar, this one here. However, we will show you how to get the AEM kit in without the hassle of removing it. So that'll be coming up once we get to installing the front section.
Here you can see us checking the throttle body for debris, crap, dirt or anything else. Doing a quick clean. It's good practice to do this before we start installing the rest of the kit. This first coupler we're installing is a little bit tight. It will stretch over the throttle body. It also uses one of the smaller clamps from the kit. As we go through the install, we won't actually tighten all of the clamps down as we go. We'll just snug them, because it will require a little bit of adjustment once everything's assembled. The coupler you can see it's installing right now is the first one that contains the mesh. It's important that you do not pinch the mesh when installing it. On goes the second coupler with the last piece of mesh, then the last piece of straight hose we've got left in the kit. Here comes the hump hose. We quite often see this hose being installed on the throttle body, not in this location. This is the correct location for that hose, right next to the bend as it goes through the front of the car. Now with the bend installed that goes through to the filter, we can now align everything and start tightening down the clamps. Next comes what it was all for, the filter. Here we're installing the MAF sensor. Do not pinch the O-ring. So a good idea to use a little bit of lubricant. Then connect the MAF sensor wiring up, tidy it up and hook it out of the way. On with the vacuum lines next. And lastly, if you've got a 231 6-port engine, you're going to want to remove this vacuum line that normally actuates the VFAD and cap it off with the vacuum cap provided. Lastly guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Rotary content.
Okay, so the AEM's in. We've got a few other jobs to do and then we'll get it fired up. But at this point, we're all done with the AEM install anyway.